Guys, today we're working on a 2006 Honda Accord EX. We're going to be changing the O-ring on this inlet hose of the power steering. So this car actually has a whining noise on the power steering. So this power steering pump is probably messed up, but we're going to save that for another video. So we're going to get right to it. First, I'm going to get some rags, put it under here because it's going to make a mess once we take off this hose, so we don't get the belt dirty. We're going to take off this bolt that holds the hose in place. It's going to be a 10 millimeter. Loosen this up. Get that nice and loose. You could take it off by hand. Not a lot of space to work here, but almost off. Got the rags in place. You see little power steering coming out. And as you can see, there's actually no O-ring even on here, which was probably what was creating the noise. Or actually it's stuck inside of there, so I got to get a pick. Gonna grab a pick, take this out. Stuck in there. You see that? This is what we're replacing. This right here. See that? So what happens is when you start the car on a cold start, this shrinks and lets air get in the system. So we got this new O-ring from Honda. Get it straight from the dealership. It's like $1. Take this out. This. Get some old power steering fluid. Lubricate it around the new O-ring. Take a little bit more. We're going to put it in right here. Get that in all the way. I'm going to put this back and screw it in. Here's my bolt. Bolt's right here.
I'm trying to get it to where you can have it.
Okay, got that finger tight. I'm just gonna get it a little snug at the open end of this wrench. Don't tighten it too much because you are going against aluminum. Get it nice and snug. All right, so we got that bolt nice and tight. Nice and tight. All right, so we changed that O-ring, started the car, it's still making a noise. So we might have to change this power steering pump because we changed the O-ring, we changed the fluid, but it's still making a noise. I'm gonna give it another week before I change the pump. So that's it for this video. If you liked the video, give me a like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys next time.